Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Everand app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click on account down here. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on audio player settings, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to audiobook jump, just click on it. Then here you sit here audio jump along here in this list. When you down, just click here on OK, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.